Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make your lawn care much easier, the Arnold 490-325-0012 15-inch Lawn Mower Front Wheel. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Arnold Lawn Mower Front Wheel is a universal 15-inch wheel assembly designed for various lawn tractors, including popular brands like Troy-Bilt, Craftsman, and John Deere. If you've been struggling with flat or worn-out wheels, this replacement part is a perfect solution. Now, let's talk about some key features. This front wheel measures 15 inches by 6 inches and fits most lawn tractors that have a 3/4-inch axle. It replaces several part numbers, including M123810, GY20638, and 634-05067, ensuring compatibility with many models. The wheel is designed with a turf-saver tread, providing excellent traction on grass and turf, making it ideal for maintaining your lawn without damaging it. One standout aspect of this wheel is its impressive load rating of 300 pounds. This means it can handle the weight of your lawn mower and any additional load you might be carrying while mowing. The nylon bearing and 2-ply construction further enhance its durability, making it a reliable choice for regular use. Who is this product suitable for? If you own a lawn mower from brands like Ariens, Craftsman, Cub Cadet, Husqvarna, John Deere, Poulan, or Troy-Bilt, and you're in need of a front wheel replacement, this is an excellent option. It's particularly beneficial for those who perform regular lawn maintenance and want to ensure their mower is functioning at its best. In practical terms, replacing the front wheels of your lawn mower every season is a smart move. Worn or flat wheels can affect your mower's performance, leading to uneven cuts and potential damage to your lawn. With the Arnold front wheel, you can maintain optimal traction and stability, ensuring a smooth mowing experience. Properly inflated tires not only last longer but also provide better traction, so remember to check the air pressure regularly and replace any damaged or worn tires. Included with your purchase is one front wheel with a rim assembly and the necessary 3/4-inch diameter axles. For detailed installation instructions, be sure to refer to your mower's instruction manual, as this will guide you through the installation process seamlessly. So, if you're looking to enhance your lawn care routine and keep your mower running smoothly, the Arnold 490-325-0012 15-inch Lawn Mower Front Wheel is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.